In this video, we'll talk about the 4 Mukhi Rudraksha. I am Mukhi Dr. Santosh Sharma. I am the 3rd generation astrologer, founder of Buy Rudraksha Spirituality, Bangalore, India. Welcome to our channel. If you are not subscribed, do subscribe and put the bell icon on. 4 Mukhi. Who is the 4 Mukhi Lord? 4 Mukhi is Brahma. Brahma is supposed to be the creator of this multiverse. So, 4 Mukhi Rudraksha stands for Brahma. Brahma is the creator, so we can relate 4 Mukhi Rudraksha to creativity. If you are a painter, if you are into any kind of work or profession which is related to creativity, then you should consider wearing 4 Mukhi Rudraksha. For the memory power, etc., also 4 Mukhi Rudraksha is used, but I always say that 4 Mukhi Rudraksha should be used by small children, maybe up to 6th standard, because after the 7th, 8th, 9th, and etc., the education system has become very complicated. You require a sharp memory and long-term memory, for which I recommend 15 Mukhi Rudraksha, 15 Mukhi Rudraksha instead of 4 Mukhi Rudraksha. So, the small children, 4 Mukhi Rudraksha is good. For creative people, 4 Mukhi Rudraksha is helpful. But I always caution you sometimes that because Brahma is not respected all over the world, and there are hardly 2 temples in India, sometimes I feel that 4 Mukhi Rudraksha does not bestow on you respect in the society. This is my personal opinion. You may wear and experience the 4 Mukhi Rudraksha. So 4 Mukhi Rudraksha, though we use in the Sarvasiddha Mala, Indra Mala, etc., because 4 Mukhi Rudraksha is also being put along with the 15 Mukhi Rudraksha for the Buddha I told you. Many people think that 4 Mukhi Rudraksha works for the Mercury. I feel that 4 Mukhi Rudraksha does not help much for Mercury. 15 Mukhi Rudraksha works beautifully. More than 15 Mukhis or 19 Mukhi also, very, very costly, not required. If you are not able to buy 15 Mukhi Rudraksha, you can wear 4 Mukhi Rudraksha. There is no problem. But if you want to appear for the competitive exams, we are studying in the college, we are doing some research work and all that, and for the communication in the interview, etc., then I strongly advise that you wear 15 Mukhi Rudraksha. If you are a school student, 4 Mukhi Rudraksha is absolutely fine for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed, do subscribe. Namaskar. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.